Stainless Hose Fittings, SHF, is the aftermarket manufacturer wholesaler for hydraulic fittings and stainless steel.
We have a very wide breadth of inventory that covers most of all your hydraulic or pneumatic needs.
Our products are used in everything from offshore markets, marine markets, petrochemical markets, anywhere you've got a corrosive environment where carbon steel is not usable. We've become a specialist at stainless fittings and hard to find fittings. Our goal is to have it in stock when you need it, whether it's an order for 10 pieces or 2,000.
We'll back that up with the customer service that we have sitting inside. That takes us to a whole new level. So when you call in, you actually get somebody that's in the industry, been in your shoes, and they can actually help you walk through to get you the product that you need.
And once we find that proper part for your application, we can provide you with same-day shipping to where you can get back and up and running within a matter of days.
In the hydraulic industry, if you blow a hose, you have a fitting that goes bad, that machine's down. It's not going to run. It cannot move that fluid. And so delivery in a timely manner is crucial. They can sleep a little bit better at night, knowing that their customer tomorrow is going to wake up with the part that they needed to get back up and running.
We do custom fittings in-house where we will take existing fittings and modify them, machine them, and then do welding processes to where we can make a fitting in a matter of hours and ship same day.
SHF had a client call from the aerospace industry that had been searching for a particular hose fitting to work on a new design hose that they had come up with. They were searching for almost 2 years and could not come up with a solution for this particular problem. After a month and a half's time, SHF was able to create a new fitting and a new design and test that particular fitting and then have it within 3 months' time into full production. The client was very happy, and I don't think there is another company on the planet that would have even come close to doing what SHF was able to do.
We're known as the specialist for stainless steel fittings, even hard to find fittings, and that allows the end user or the distributor to be able to order as needed. They don't have to tie up dollars in inventory that won't turn because they rely on SHF to provide that product, and we do it. That's our niche.
This company is on a fast track of growing quick. With all the great customer service people we have, bringing in more inventory, we have new lines that we're introducing this year. We have a bunch of new products that are going to be coming on.
And the only place you're going to find this inventory of stainless fittings is right here at SHF.